Welcome to our today's session. We are going to look at how can we create the first relation, which is the regions relation. The region relation has two fields, namely the region ID as well as the region name. To create that relation, we use the create command. So of course we have to specify the database that we are going to create that relation in. So to create that relation, we say create table regions, and then we put a bracket. We need to specify the relation fields. So region ID, it's an integer, auto increment, and it's going to be a primary key. So when we say auto increment, it implies that the numbers are going to be populating themselves. We don't need to, it's more or less like a surrogate key. We may not have to be populating the values ourselves. The first region name will be number 1, the second region name will be number 2, and so on and so forth. So you have seen how we have populated our primary key. All fields are separated with a comma. We go to the next field, which in this given case is going to be region name. We specify the data type. In this particular case, it's going to be a varchar. And then we specify the size that's supposed to be accommodated. And then we close our particular relation. Once we close it, it's going to say query OK. And by that, we can comfortably say that we have created our first. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.